Hey everyone, welcome back to Jobkar. I'm Shabana, and today we will discuss about our job opportunity. But before moving further with the video, I would like to request you all to subscribe to Jobkar for more job updates and placement preparation related videos. And also, you can hit the bell icon so you never miss any update from us. And if you want, you can follow us on Instagram. So there you will be given job updates on daily basis. Okay, so with that note, let's quickly move with the further with the video. So today we will talk about a hiring from Deloitte. So Deloitte is hiring for intern analyst, and we will see the position summary and all these things about this job. So these are the responsibilities for this intern analyst post. So the responsibilities are delivery of a specific capability in technology consulting, understand business requirements and needs, and support application design, and develop functional or process documents, and build, test and deliver solutions, and possible for functional specifications creation, and responsible for functional unit testing, responsible for test data creation and test scripts creation and execution, and adhere to defined processes and tools while performing day-to-day operations. Okay, so these are the responsibilities for the intern analyst, and this is all about the overview of the job. Okay, this is all about it, and other than that, they have not given anything much special. So this is for intern analyst, and they have not even given the eligibility criteria. So anyone from the prior experience and as intern analyst, or any graduate can apply for this job. If you have ideas about these responsibilities they have provided here, so you can apply for this job. Okay, I will provide this link in the description box, so anyone who is interested can apply for this job. You just need to click on this apply now button here and complete your application, and for further communication they will send you email on your registered email ID. So be active on that. Okay, so this is all for today's job update, guys. If you like the video, then you need to hit the like button and subscribe to Jobker for future updates, and also follow us on Instagram. So you will get your queries solved really soon. Okay, so if you have any doubts, you can comment me down. I'll be happy to help you. And this is all for today's job update. I'll be coming back with more such kind of videos. Till then, take care and bye bye.